for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so na and then your first time I have subscribing now click the notification bell on it so what would name the air course between Shatawale and then Yebeka and the camp a year blade on one bra wasaki no a year on one bodyguard on one PA and crow for actress a wasaki omo any on one chiami pop skinny as is here no woko Snapchatter omo revealing secrets na etie for bi bedu say na ade we ye band sen na esi ye obia enhyeda enim senia asem ne si ye Shatawale kan ne de wo hwe nsem Shatawale kan wo kan wo ma reason there but utie Shatawale reason na beka say if Martin as for longer reason na Shatawale man no enya big enough say BBC besi what you say akoy say mo ayen for over 10 or 20 years Shatawale na can say blade eye ni nua na wo bi aye onua na try say unim no for most part of your life into most years of your life no unim no because una say never kon your brother na butie nsema eba aboncha obon say se wo bi eye your brother e bia asem we na si yen kwan dia ende na nkeni kwan say mobile bonten be didi mu ho atem say nti no popski ni kra wo bisa na asem o kan so o se onumpu wo nim de waye Shatawale sana popski ni kan yo ye bisa no se onu onim de waye Shatawale onu de obi hu an say Shatawale di na teme wo Snapchat no no so bufu ya onu so di Shatawale atem nti akoy se bo bia enim asem pote but abranche bia we are very close wo hwe Darlington Adams a friend Darlington Adams say we ye SM fan am ye sure say wonim no we ye Beam fan so am ye sure say wonim we ye Sack fan so am ye sure say wonim no fi say abranche we are friend Darlington Adams no de on fa boga enye swine e basa akode a o kansa akode aseme tutu bi masa akode e Stone Boy a o ka Stone Boy de tutu bi mano e ba Shatawale o ka Shatawale tutu bi mano Samini o tutu bi mano just say Ghanaian artist ni awo no de wo tutu mo omo e no no so yo bia wonim eye nsema e koso nti no SM4 etan no Beam4 tan no Sack4 tan no Samini fonso tan nti ono de teso bobia etan no sisi a popski ni nso ne nkrofo etan no fi se otutu bi ma ono nso na baba bonten abeka se Shatawale no bo twantro efri mra Shatawale beda ne Shatawale intro eno di ra industry ni mu nti akoyesa na se intro no di keep up na oma breakdown of how Shatawale became the Shatawale ayenim and na wono de was de wate enti awomoko sisi an se was Mbra Shatawale sign to Xylophone Media deal no. Shatawale promise omo around ono Shatawale ne say Xylophone for signing na ono Shatawale no obemu bia 50,000 Ghana cedis which is 500 million. Inti Xylophone for signing no ye ni ayehu Shatawale ebedi mu dane nyama. But still nsem na ase ti yese nkrofo no ekobo so say na promise ya o promise yen sebi ase ya ye we yo yese no ho asem enema Shatawale bufu ya atina ne mu atese ne buefu a wode asake nkrofo no ene ne nsema Darlington Adam kan na enye no pe wosanso kebi kan obi beka se asem na esi no Darlington Adam take side award de se Shatawale pedabi se na bedinka kache no otubi ma popski ni so otubi ma popski ne didi na 10 years or follow back mbra popski ne Shatawale eye tight omo ye namfo no Darlington Adam de ono de bia na odi popski ni atem se popski ni de he's not a man of his own de bia na odi Shatawale echi Shatawale kan na wonso odi echi whether it's good or not and then the waba bontin ye because Shatawale yes etie for me person be wasting more time yon kongo tie nsema Darlington Adams edit tutu ja
you won't reach this level you did this level where you won't reach this level where you start with lies you dey lie your empire then go break camp on lies. So make I give you some small story. See, the time where Shatawale, it was bandana. The time Shatawale was bandana. Where he dey walk, he be dirty boy, he be criminal, he be phone thief. Shatawale, he dey lie. If he be Takashi 69 of our time, Ghana Takashi 69, that be Shatawale. Shatawale be snitch past everybody. Where he be fiero. I swear I go tell you, see Shatawale. He dey fear, but you see, he gets some excuse me to say some stupid, useless people behind him. That one they lie the boy say he be gangster, Shatawale no go fit fight though. I swear on my mama, I no go lie you. The time the street was street, Shatta no dey street o. Shatta no be street boy o. But it be the small backups where he gets, you know, where he make that guy figure say he be some gangster for life. Shatta movement self, Shatta Wale no be your own. It be Shatta Sly in movement. Juwade will be useless then sell out. Where he sell Sly out, where you Shatta Wale, you get Shatta movement, where you they claim say you be Shatta movement. Shatta movement, you Shatta Wale, no be your own. Then bring you for inside. You Shatta Wale, the Shatta movement, it not be your own. Oh. Then bring you for the Shatta movement inside. Today you say you be king. Tomorrow you sack this person. Yesterday you sack this person. Next day you sack this person. Shatta Wale, make I give you small story. The time where you come, time you no Oba, you come. The bandana time, where you can't do bandana from Ghana, no computer, where you go, you hide. Where you can't come again. You start the lie on Samini. That be how you start your story, oh Shatta Wale. Before I go throw you fire, make I give you. You start the lie on Samini. Say Samini do this, Samini do this. You dey walk from ghetto to ghetto. You dey involve yourself in people. You dey lie. Any ghetto where you go, any place where you go get platform, it be Samini matter you go talk. That time I understand you. Why? Because that time Samini be the giant for the music inside. That time MTN give Samini, then sign up, then give him some Land Cruiser. Where you dey lie, you dey fabricate stories. People buy your stories because that time Samini dey reign. Samini know they come ghetto youth inside. That might be true. In all your lies where you lies, you know, Samini, you see why? Make I tell the reason why the ghetto youth people them believe Shatta Wale where them follow him. He can't tell the ghetto youth say Samini know they come ghetto youth inside. Samini know they love the ghetto. Where it be true? That time Samini they reign. That time Samini they reign. You know they come the ghetto youth them are inside. Samini know they perform for ghetto unless it go benefit them. I go recall some years back the time I did Ghana. I meet Samini from Reggie Store office. Me, I know be that boy where we see artists where we they call them. No, we don't call artists. So, I see Samini for Reggie Store office where people they call and that time they drive some Land Cruiser way. MTN give them. That time Samini they you call Samini the arrogant alone, you don't go feel stand. Samini they same body. So as Shatta Wale can't tell the ghetto you say Samini know they love them, you know they come with them, then Nankasa then sit down and say they organize a lot of seller fairs, then do a lot of ghetto youth stuff. That time you call Samini to come to now where they go the ghetto youth show. That time you call Samini no go come. That time Samini no go come so because Samini they see say he be the giant, nobody. So that be the only thing where he tell the ghetto youth, where the ghetto youth sit down, where they think about, where they say yes. What general they talk, it be true. Where the ghetto youth start to follow Samini. That time Samini so supon what they do. So people start to follow this Shatta Wale, they praise them, but I no go blame them. That time you can't join Arabi them. Arabi them give them platform. They support them. You can't see Kushtela them. Kushtela them do them a job. You know be you the same Shatta Wale. You can't tell you say losing blade. The blade where you sack him 3 days ago. If you go watch the video where Shatta Wale can post some time ago where he sack losing blade and that stone or bone or whatever they call them, where they do. Watch under the video, you go see say Darlington Adams did there. Be my word of Shatta Wale can't take that video. The day he sack stone, blade, bone, pop skinny, and good over evil. Go watch under the video well. It be me my word top, he can't take the video where he edit where he put for there. I mean they understand. You the same Shatta Wale. You see that video where he post? The people call somebody say Kwa Mansa. You know who be Kwa Mansa or Kwa Mansa? It be losing blade in grandmother or something that Kwa Mansa in house. That be where they bring Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale be opportunist. Where food day, there way day. You say losing blade be your brother. Your blood brother. Where you can't sack him. See, you see the thing where Pope Skinny they post their things, make them can't tell you how the fight starts. The fight, according to the rumors who are here, Shatta Wale promised losing blade, then those follow back say, if Xylophone sign and we go give each person 50,000. That be the news who are here. I don't know how true the news be. say he go give each person 50,000. As then sign Opana no give them that money. Where then sit for that money talk. That be the rumors where then they the way they talk. That be what me at the year for my years inside. Say as Xylophone sign him, he promised the people say in artists in follow back say go give each person 50,000. Well now this year he goes Shatta Wale no get hit song. The money he finish. Now one Iran. Where these laws in blade the people go raise the money issue come. Ask yourself say why he sack them. You know be the dream where say dream say they go kill them, that boy sack them. It be lie. It be lie where they lie. You know be Shatta Wale say listen to more some of his Shatta Wale interview. He say it be Nima where them born them for. But today, the people now where them say Laws in Blade they talk say Shatta Wale no be Nima boy. Then take them a Nima. Obuwa do some song be. He say Abuwa koko tiba. Obe nyina ye kesi. Obe nyina ye kesi. Na wadane apontreni. That be Shatta Wale from bandana to Shatta Wale. You see Shatta Wale, now he grow wings. To the extent say you Shatta Wale fit talk for your mom say people where them be Nima boys. So of them then you get beef. If them come some place for Nima, they go beat them. Me I not go blame Shatta Wale for some way. But you see those people, they lost in blade. Apart from Kustela, then Arabi, all those people where Shatta Wale sack them. I don't give two fuck. You see the people where Shatta Wale sack them, massa. I don't give two fuck. Because why? You people start to follow Shatta Wale, you they disrespect your people, where you then wake up from a child, from the get-go, you then they move. If you can say Shatta movement be your own. Lost in blade. Stone, bone. You see, say nobody won't fight give you useless people. Because then deported them so. You know people where them disrespect the time they start to follow Shatta Wale. Then disrespect people where then and them grow. You see, say they get problem, nobody they come to them and aid they fight give them. You see, say they get problem, nobody they come to them and aid to fight give them. Why? Because the time they start to follow Shatta Wale, then they see small chachere, hungry boys. They can't be leaders. They always want to be followed back. Lost in blade. Then sack them before. That video, Shatta Wale can't post the day where sack. That be the first time then sack Lost in blade. Where he can't do that video. After that, I come back deal. Why you watch it? Lost in blade know that you know be street boy. You don't know how they hustle. Stupid Lost in blade. Where you go? The party do the same thing. It is who they come to them at aid. You know see nobody they fight give them. The party he get problem. Who fight give them? Arabi in problem. It be me I do video give them. The party it be me I fight give all those people. You ever see somebody they fight give them before? No. Because the time when they follow SM movement, they disrespect people, a lot of people. Then disrespect a lot of people. So now they get problem. Nobody they fight give them. Everybody keep quiet. Apart from Arabi, then Kustela, what them be lawyer. They not talk any shit. Any shit about Shatta Wale. Well now, you then sack you people. You want make people can't fight give you. Me, the people where Shatta Wale sack there, they join me. They join me. But Pop Skinny, you to me are the shock set. You Pop Skinny. You will be like your DNA inside, no Pop Skinny. We need to take you go see Nakpanga. You know Nakpanga, that be where for take you Pop Skinny. You after what Shatta Wale do you, where he sack you, he kick you out. You go Pop Skinny, you not be today artist from book back them a time oh. Since they don't know, since they never think say they go bomb 4S4. Pop Skinny, you dey crapim rapper. They never think say they go bomb 4S4. You Pop Skinny. You dey follow book back. You leave book back. Book back can form 4S4. Pop Skinny, you still there, they do follow back. Shatta Wale can't rise more. You can't follow Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale disgrace you in the public. You go on. You come. Kwasia, today. Me, I go support Shatta Wale in some way. Shatta Wale say he give you 10,000 and the beer. Even if the thing be lies, me, I go support Shatta Wale. Why? Because you the same fucking Pop Skinny. You can't open your mouth. That will say, Shatta Wale buy you that Benz. You know, we talk, your videos there when we go play give you. Who you Pop Skinny follow back, useless fool. You open your mouth, you tell we say Shatta Wale buy you that Benz. And then you who now can we no masem, you say Shatta Wale buy you that Benz. Then bring you people for America here, Pop Skinny. Then bring you for America here. Your video there. We go to show you that video. You say Shatta Wale bring you for America. Shatta Wale bring you for America and there ubeta free abruwa what you do crassism. You come Pop Skinny. You come America, you zook big bag. You bring fake Timberland boot, fake everything from Togo. You bring Togo shaders to America. You go back from America, you know buy shader. You take the same bag you take come. Or you take go back Ghana. You bring Togo shader to America. Who they come America or Canada or some Europe where they bring shaders? Only you Pop Skinny. You look, you know Shatta Wale say they do. You they come America, UK somewhere. You go logo Togo shaders. Tudu, Adriana si shaders. Take come approach you. Where Jimmy Anna? You can't tell we say Shatta Wale bring you for America. Today, you dare Snapchat, Kwasia, and I'm saying you are useless like me for a year. You dare Snapchat, they talk say, you know be Shatta Wale way bring you for America. You know be by you, for you the horse in mouth, who want know now can you Pop Skinny. So today Shatta Wale go court, say they go collect that card and we will go support them. We will go support Shatta Wale because why? It be you open your mouth tell you say the Benz, it be he buy give you, it be he bring you for America. Pop Skinny not be we talk. We don't talk. Skinny, Pop Skinny not be we talk. One kasa one know from you the horse in mouth. You say Shatta Wale do about America better free abruwa trim. Shatta Wale ato Benz amount. In there, Kwasia, what me call Snapchat so they talk say no be Shatta Wale give, Shatta Wale go fit do this, Shatta. Mboa. Some of you the SM people where they insult me, go suck your mother. Yeah, I can't do video test that they chop Shatta Michi. I do video, I say Shatta Michi. People they chop them, they give them money then things. Kwasia for way insult, you know insult me. I be you see Shatta Wale in Snapchat. He confess. Say Michi they chop Michi. You know be me I talk oh. It be Aludi talk. It be Alidu talk. It be Alidu talk. Himself he confess that they chop Shatta Michi. So now no Kwasia Chipalago. I do that video say now one chop Shatta Michi. You can't edit the video, go put for your WhatsApp. They talk say I get proof to back him. Kwasia Chipalago Krasinia on inam also who are brocho chef flea market in Tade Abua. So who say Shatta Wale can confess say yes they chop Shatta Michi. I be you see. You see say Shatta Wale self can confess say yes they chop Shatta Michi. Since why they tell say Shatta Wale no be real. But I no go blame him. Most of you people you they follow him, you no be leaders. The youth of today are not born to be leaders. You are following back. They follow back there your DNA inside. If you not be so, lost in blade, you no get life for Ghana. You go wear some CNA uniform say you finish dentist, you be doctor. Shatta Wale can congratulate you. That guy they call him they do the camera Stone. That short guy with the bald head. Where they call him Stone. Then give him the Kakai car where you go hide the car. No? Stone. You they follow Shatta Wale then take you go UK then things. You they sleep plus your brother for Kandao. I bet tough in that area there. Hey, Shatta Wale they like say in people then get room, they nobody get nothing. They no get nothing. But me, I not go blame you. See you the militant way you did there. No? You the militant way you did there. No? Someone want you they watch Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale be snitch, it be Takashi 69 of Ghana. So that be Shatta Wale, Takashi 69 of Ghana. Snitch. Shatta Wale, anybody will go get problem plus. He go come talk the person matter. Anybody. What you know do Bulldog? Eh? Now I said to fuck off. If I saw Palago, you be who? Fuck off. Make I tell you something. In the Bulldog get problem. Eh? Shatta Wale can't sit for radio. He say Bulldog he kill Kwakese manager. Bulldog say he go kill him just like he kill Kwakese manager. Bulldog they work free. He no go jail. He no go jail. If you can say be America, when Memphis Bleak can't talk say Jay-Z kill somebody. Jay-Z say he go kill him just like he killed that person. Like they no go catch Jay-Z, interrogate him, put him behind bars. But a country like Ghana with the shithole leaders, useless leaders, Shatta Wale can't talk this thing. They no arrest Bulldog. They no do anything. He sell Bulldog out. He can't put Bulldog in wife, in picture, in naked picture, everything for social media. So if you people are come with demo, you put the walk with your stomach like snake. So you people follow him. Where Bulldog, you go you see why they insult you, Bulldog? You come America self media, you get problem, I insult you. Bulldog go when he come back again. He go join this Shatta movement again. I don't know exactly what did they do give Bulldog. He go when he come back. Why this thing is dark like that? Eh? Bulldog go. He go when he come back. He can't join this Shatta Wale again after all the yawa way them do him. Inti yedi yen crofo eh? The yedi yen crofo no man tinasi andwin se ebedu muso. The time where Shatta Wale they sell people out, they disgrace people. No, you Pope Skinny, you Lost in Blade, you Stone, you the people where they follow him. No, when you say buy a ribo ban and no one a ribo techi, you people forget say Ego can't do the same thing to you. You people forget. Now where it reach the time where they do you no. Now where it reach the time where they do you no. Kwasia Pope Skinny. Kwasia Pope Skinny bio. Minya ma you say babe ya but also Jimmy for there. Me who be that? Now you can't they talk. You say you go talk. You see how lady they put you out for that. Now lady won't tell the people say you be cold, but they chop your ass. So a lady won't talk. Oh. So a lady won't talk. We what did they go on? Are they love rough? Make them do what they want to do. You see what did they do? We will they support. We will they support. Make them do what they want to do. Anything that is built on lies will break down on lies. Shatta Wale that be, you know get hit song. He goes to people, my level be somebody's song. Jay somebody be somebody's song. This year how many shows did they play? This year how many hit song you get? You don't get the hit song. The hit song no there. The hit song no there. None of you release any hit song. You see, make I tell you something. Why your artist Shatta Wale was trendy? It be me my video where they talk about your Shatta Wale that time where they insult them every day. That's why the guy they trend do. The guy know they force so. But say I leave the rope, give him, I stop the talk about them small. You see when career day, frustration chop him. Frustration chop him now. He started selling old people. Saying they sack people for SM. SM be your own Shatta Wale. You know be your own. How they sack somebody for something where you know build? Now you they sell your woman. Your woman where they love them. Now you they sell your woman and they say so they chop your woman. This 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 they chop your woman. Why? This be the Ghana music industry. This be the Ghana music industry. So you Shatta Wale, you know if you get problem plus somebody small way, you go act mature, say, oh, Pope Skinny was once my boy before, so since we have a problem, you know, let me brush it off. You don't know that. As soon as you get problem with somebody, you know, everything you know. Your mouth like Camp Nou, Barcelona de Macamp, Shatta Wale, Onabu Botumo, Barcelona Camp Nou. Your mouth like Camp Nou, big. You get problem plus somebody know you know how to reveal secret. But you yourself, you did there, you Shatta Wale self, you do shit. Hey, that guy where they Shatta Wale in camp, where did they call him? I don't know, even if he's stone or the one be the stone that the photographer, no. Make I tell you, that Christmas inside, this will not be the first time where they sack him. That short guy, they call him Stone or whatever, the photographer where they follow Shatta Wale, no. December inside, Shatta Wale sack him. You know what you do? You go chop one of the ablawa where he did Shatta Wale. You see the ablawas where he did Shatta Wale got ablawa for in house. One of the SMD was the ablawa. You go chop that girl where Shatta Wale catch him. Where they sack him. If you steady where he then store, he then Pope Skinny start the walk. Shatta Wale sack him. Then beg where he come back, you know, people. The one where they drive the kakai car. I tell you, say, boss, now one they chop me chief figure. Shatta Wale confirm. He confirm. You know no go see for in war. He confirm everything where I talk. Shatta Wale they watch me. Shatta Wale they watch my video every day. Maybe you know be you Stone Boy self them boy self. If you go see, I do some video before where I tell Kelvin Boy make he stop the back Stone Boy for stage. Ever since then, you see say Kelvin Boy the back Stone Boy for stage. No. If you go watch that video, what I tell Kelvin Boy say, if you want to be superstar on his own, you first stop the backing vocalist. You see say they back again. You know the back. You stop. You don't understand me? So that be what he there inside. If you dey follow leader with the leader, if they spoil people them my image, you go you there here. Mark it before Christmas go come. You go see Shatta Wale they are the self. You see go see what they go do. You go see Shatta Wale they are the self. Watch out. Remix. That be where we go end up for Buko Arena Boxing. Kokoti Babe Daniel Poncho. You today Shatta Wale. Then bring you for Nima. You. Then bring you for Nima. Today if he did there, the right say somebody go Nima. Nima boy where he wake up for Nima. He go Nima. They go beat him. So confuse Shatta Wale. Why Daniel Poncho ni? In the Usu Wadana. I no go blame some of the people where they Nima way they do like for life they won't do. Poverty, hungry. Somebody can give you some $100 or something. He go control you people like remote control. Libya by road, echo Europe, echo America, echo Mexico, echo Canada, no more the Monsieur Nyansan. So you people you no go learn that sense. You people no go learn that sense. Say, hey, you two go past the by road. But you go love there. You go love there, do follow back. No confio na bambo. You see no confio today, Shatta Wale. You dey disrespect Stone. You dey disrespect Laws in Blade. You dey disrespect Bone. You dey disrespect Good Over Evil. On some real shit. If you no be follow back, kaka. Good Over Evil. Shatta Wale go fit talk to Good Over Evil like how you dey talk to him. Like he chop slap. They slap it. Me I know say see Shatta Wale go fit beat Laws in Blade. You go fit beat him. If only be that useless foolish Laws in Blade. If only useless that Laws in Blade guy. Shatta Wale go fit beat him. If you not be money, you not be poverty. If you not be poverty, Shatta Wale feel OP move. Then talk anyhow to people for the street. You know the one find your own path. You wake up, you see your father they beg. You don't want to change your own route. You don't want to be a leader. Follow your own path. Go your own way. If somebody feed you today, you want to make the person feed you every day. Why, my brother? If today you come, I give you $100. Tomorrow you come, I give you $100. The next day you come, I give you $300. You know, go get mine, say you go add that money, go buy handkerchief or some PK or some ice water or pure water, then sell and make you turn your own boss in case something happens to go fit survive. Every day they depend on my top. The day you go come and if you give you the $100, that will be the bad person. You know be so. You know be so. You know be so. You know they want be a leader. You want me to use you like that. Find your own way, brother. You don't grow. You have to be a leader. You have to be a boss on your own. Your family not gonna be happy. They talk say, oh, my son is going to Kojo's house. Kojo go give my son $100. Go can't find something give me. No. Your father or your mother wants see you to be a leader. But you the spirit need more. I won't blame you. System now fuck you up. Into there follow back for life is for life. For being didi a un didi. Se saka boy be and share and yan to our own share. So when you shoe now to our own share. Boxer shorts crap on in the check. Boxer shorts self. Somebody go come on. Then you go put down. Then you go take go where. You see what did they do now? What did they do now? Make them kill them myself. We will go sit down, watch them like this. You see, make them put all the secret out. This is my last video. Me are the one make them put all the secret out. If them put the secret out, you know, then you go see, say, now you go can't do open form. It be like a podcast. You go open form. Bah! Everybody go chippy. I go call you. You go tell them your mind. But for now, no. Moku enjoy. My enjoy ya grown kakra. For now, no. Let's enjoy the game. Moku entertain Shatta Wale then Pope Skinny. If they like, make them meet for Bukom Arena, then wear gloves, then beat them myself die. We will enjoy that thing. You don't understand me? This one that they do, no, it's a good example for you, the youth, where you know, say, you be following back, you go do, no. So they go put your secret for there. If you don't find your own part to be your own leader, make your own rules. So somebody go feed you, you go can't put for there, you don't get small problem. Go text say you, he feed you. So it go happen to you. It go feed you. Can't they public tell people say, oh, say I come in, no. Me na me man, you do di eh. Me na me talk say man. Yeah. You don't understand? So that boy go tell you the youth, you know. You see what they do? You where you did the way you still did the SM movement. This have to be example for you. So you two time go come. I be did there. You then Shatta Wale the war, they tell you secret, you they tell them your secret. So no you to your time go come. People come before you. Arabi you don't come. Kustela you won't come. Bulldog you won't come. Deportee you won't come. Hey, now be Blade, Good over Evil Stone, Pope Skinny. You ever sit down and think say there will be a day these people go back and forth. They my own come. So you two go come. If you choose a leader where you morph no big. Like Heathrow Airport. You understand me? Choose a leader where you Kumoji they watch. Me, I know they want swimming pool there, America, then Canada, then Germany. We know they like swimming pool. No, we don't go beach, oh, Labadi Beach, Bola Beach. That one is big. God in swimming pool. Where sugar there inside, fish there inside, crocodile there inside, tilapia there inside. Even Shatta Wale there inside the sea inside. We go beach, go swim. You know they need swimming pool. Why? Before swimming pool no come, beach day there. Oh. Before swimming pool no come, beach day there. If you go follow leader will morph big like crocodile. Shatta Wale morph like crocodile. Such a leader, what makes you think say if then this leader get problem, you know go put for there? Make I ask you, you go follow leader where he morph big like crocodile. What makes you think say if you see Shatta Wale morph like crocodile where they see inside or they river inside, see him morph. Then me what's if make I tell this thing? What's if they bore me? This be my last statement. Say if you then Shatta Wale get problem, they go talk say my fans go beat you. Who be your fans? Why you Shatta Wale you don't go talk say me I go beat you? You they claim gangster. You they claim say you be gangster, you be this, you get gun, you be this. Go fight on your own. Me if you get problem plus, I'm not go talk this I go make my people can't beat you or D-Nation. No. You can you say you be gangster Shatta Wale. Pope Skinny be small boy. Lost in Blade then. Go fight them. Why they talk say some people go beat some people? You are not a gangster, you are a pussy ass nigga. You are nothing but a snitch ass nigga. That life, if you only Ghana you go feel leave, then snitch. America here like you know go feel walk for street. Jamaica, you know go feel walk for street with this kind of snitch life where you Shatta Wale, you dey Ghana way they do. It be Ghana way be so. Any foolish person wake up here, they say celebrity. Pope Skinny, celebrity. Losing Blade, follow back for celebrity. Stove, follow back for celebrity. They follow Shatta Wale, they disrespect. Somebody say they call him Equiapin Polo. They say she too should be celebrity. Somebody they sell in Tonga, Moisha, she be celebrity. Who? Fela Makafui, she too. Then chop am sake of car. She be celebrity. See, everybody wake up. Small things. Kotoku to what? Every small body go do something. You say be celebrity. You say you be gangster. You dey claim the gangster. See, Shatta Wale no be. You don't know the street code. Street code. When we talk about street code, a street code nigga, you no go snitch. Oh. A street code nigga don't snitch on his niggas. Everything that happen in the camp stays in the camp. That's the street code. The street code. If something happen for the street, you don't come out and snitch. Shatta Wale, you there something small happen or Usain Bolt, they turn Takashi 69. You start snitching on everybody. People where they mention them and then what did they inside? Me I they go. It be small sense where I tell you. Me I no come say they come they come insult them. Somebody to say Xander Camel, who to be that? If you or dog, all these people, they say them be celebrity. What do they do? Who they celebrate these people? What do they celebrate of them? Yo, Abdul Basti, Chambers, I see you. Ella Disco. I ain't tripping, what's cracking, my nigga? Rashida Black Beauty. Them all. Look at all these things. All these people say them be celebrity. How? How can these people be celebrity? That's what it is inside. So my people. Yeah. Anas Rakim, yeah, it be 6'9", snitch ass nigga. Shatta Wale, that be the Takashi of Ghana. Every little thing starts snitching on people. Nigga way more big like crocodile. Why you don't go snitch on you? You don't go, don't go find problem with niggas. We niggas wanna mouth big. We know they play. Oh. So my people, a word to a wise, see some useless fool self. I don't know why self. I'm gonna block this dirty boy self. Make I block this dirty boy. Say who be the street code? Nobody became for street though. Make I tell you something. We no go come claim street case oh, but you no go feel beat we for street oh. Either two things. I go shoot you, make you die or whatever happen. You no go feel beat me for street oh. Patapaa be celebrity. Yeah, Patapaa be celebrity. I be in song make it. Patapaa be celebrity. Yo, that Joe, what's up? Charlie, I dey go my people. So that's what I want to tell you. My mama entertain. You see the thing where they go entertain them small. If them finish all my all my bread, they don't have any secret, you know. Now we go collect all the things where they talk, you know. They have a podcast. Me then you people, you go call in. I go open the line, give you. I go call you video. We go discuss about the things where Shatta Wale talk, Pop Skinny talk. We go discuss all that. We go put that for them. They go see omu Jimmy and omu ye. In 24 omu in 24 omu you know where you go meet each other, then beat each other up. Jimmy and Snapchat give you platform. You talk secret. You reveal secret. You talk about each other and I say, you know, and yamu ferry women where you put Mumba Musumu dog, Mumuni or Muda or them, Shatamichi and you Pop Skinny wife. You put all the my secret outside there. Where you go back to this woman, then this woman go collect you people as their husbands or boyfriend. Shatta Wale give Shatamichi ring. Now she 10 Lord of the ring. The ring 10 kako for a hand. He promised her engagement ring or promise ring which Shatta Wale give Shatamichi. The thing 10 kako for Shatamichi in hand. She see say no they do. She ran. She Jamie. Yo Alhaji wanna see you. So that boy I go tell you people. Muma enjoy mo. No mo nyomo kwasi asem. Aba edi boba and no edi bo 30. So me Allah be with you or we go come open give them. Oh yeah. Everything. We dey gather information. That boy I know they want do video. We want gather all the information. Then we go come throw out they give them. Now we dey pile up the information. We can't do podcast with them information. We dey pile up. So if you get some, don't throw them away. Pile it up. Make them we go pile it up. If omunyanyansa so ombe giant crashes them now. We go pile all the issue that they took for snap, they throw for Snapchat no. Yes, screenshot BBI, yes, save. Omu via. Na yon so ma bread. They say obia can the numa sem. Omu penso anum. Omu nim de ombe kan. Na de abek two me nim say ejako nimbo ni o chiami. Mu Jimmy, mu crack sem am ye. And then we go serve them with my old food. They go eat. Now be what go happy. And now Rakim, today I'm not going to invite you. So that be what today is. I go do what I go do. Me Allah be with you people, So me that why you people they tell me say why no they come live at the job, at the work overnight. That why no they feel come live. So Moku watch the drama small. After the drama no. You understand? Make Ali do talk. Make you open that crocodile mouth. Make you talk what you go talk. After the drama no. We no go talk anybody in secret too. The my secret where they go talk, where we go take and give them. Pastor they can't talk, say no now Majai, the time I be everything I talk about Shatta Wale, say they say among us. Everything I talk about that nigga, be now you see with your own eyes. You see, buboba, be janibe shishimo. So that be what I go tell you. Mama no mo fan go, omo the go where we are. Then we go take can't give them. Eunice, wife say, make you no go, please. Oh, how they go? How they go? Everything that is built on lies shall fall on lies. I will tell you, if you start your life, you dey lie. So now you go, your life go fall on lies. That be what did happen. So when I enjoy them, I dey go do something.